In this tutorial, we'll look at how to fix the Steam family sharing option when it's not working in just a few simple steps. Open your Steam app. On the top left corner, you'll see the Steam icon. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. You'll find the option for Family. Click on it and choose Create or Join a Family Library. Simply toggle the family sharing option off and on to refresh it. Now go back to your library and find the game you're trying to play. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Install Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will start verifying the game's files and fix any issues if found. If you're still facing issues, try this. Search for Steam in your system, right-click on it and select Open File Location. Right-click on Steam.exe and go to Properties. Then, click on the Compatibility tab and run the Compatibility Troubleshooter. It will start detecting any issues with the program. You can click on Test the program to check if Steam is working correctly. If it's still not fixed, click Next and then choose Try Again using different settings. If the troubleshooter works, you can save the settings and relaunch Steam. And that's how you can easily fix the Steam family sharing option if it's not working in just a few simple steps.